I know this is a travel channel, but let's be honest, we all can't be on the road all the time. So don't get me wrong, I definitely wish we could. But here's the thing, travel doesn't always mean you have to hop on a plane or go somewhere far and exotic. Sometimes the best adventures are right here in your own neighborhood, just waiting to be discovered. So today we decided to take a little travel day. About 15 minutes from the house. The weather was perfect, the wind was calm, and we felt like the universe was just giving us a reason to go outside. So we headed over to Lake Lewisville and let the gentle waves and the beautiful sunshine give us a mini vacation. No long drives, no big plans, just a quick escape to remind us that adventure can be anywhere. Thank you for watching Travel with the Hales. We'd be most honored if you would like, subscribe, and please comment and share our videos. Until next time, safe travels.